Dr. Narayana, with over 30 years of expertise, has dedicated the past 8 years exclusively to addressing mouth breathing and snoring. He's internationally recognized, having authored a book on the dental aspects of snoring and mouth breathing. Let's unite to prevent this hazardous act. It's not just about numbers, but about reaching millions suffering from mouth breathing. With numerous successful case studies, he can make a difference. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to the Snorescape channel.